What are cross-currency pairs? In the previous video, we learned about major currency pairs. Now it's time to look at crosses. Minor currency pairs, or crosses, refers to a pair of currencies that is not associated with the US dollar currency. For example, Euro to Great British Pound. The most common crosses involve Euro to Japanese Yen, New Zealand Dollar to Japanese Yen, British Pound to Japanese Yen, Euro to Great British Pound, Euro to Swiss francs, Australian Dollar to Japanese Yen. Cross-currency transactions make international payments easier and cheaper. In Forex, cross-currency pairs are believed to be less volatile, very liquid, and excellent facilitators of increasing the trade volumes. Exotics, the last type of currency pairs, will be discussed in the next video. Stay tuned for more CGFX educational videos.